Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fantastic world of Asana, and we're going to learn how to manage project dependencies and timelines effectively. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our first step is setting up our project. In Asana, click on the New Project button and fill in the necessary details. The reason we do this is to ensure that we have a clear and organized space where we can manage our tasks and dependencies. Remember, a well-structured project is essential for efficient project management. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating tasks. Click on Add Task and start inputting all the tasks that need to be completed for your project. Don't forget to add due dates and assignees. This helps us because it allows us to visualize our workflow and understand who is responsible for what. Next up, we're going to create dependencies. To do this, click on a task and then on Add Dependency. Select the task it's dependent on. The reason we do this is to ensure that our tasks are done in the right order. It helps us to prevent any work stoppages that could occur if a task is dependent on another that hasn't been completed yet. Once we've set up our dependencies, it's time to manage our timelines. Go to the timeline view of your project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana automatically plots all your tasks and dependencies on a Gantt chart, giving you a clear visual of your project timeline. This is crucial as it allows you to easily adjust your schedule if necessary, ensuring that your project stays on track. And finally, we need to keep our project updated. Regularly review your timeline, adjust task dates if needed, and mark tasks as complete when they're done. Let me explain why this matters. Consistently updating your project helps you stay on top of your workflow, making it easier to spot potential issues and address them before they become bigger problems. And that's it, folks. Managing project dependencies and timelines on Asana is as simple as that. Remember, the key to successful project management is organization and regular updates. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.